how to connect your Attack Shark X11 mouse to your PC. So this little thing over here. Now, when you're connecting this mouse, you have multiple options that are given to you. Pretty much depends on your preference. There's going to be three options, which is a wired option, a dongle or a USB option, it's a wireless, and a Bluetooth option. So it's pretty simple. If you want to go ahead and use the wire option, you can go ahead and take a look if you're provided with one, and if you are, you can go ahead and put in the Type-C end of the wire, put it here on the front of the mouse itself, and then connect it to your PC, the USB section. And another option is the dongle. So this little dongle here on the bottom. Now if you take it out, it should look something like this over here, but once you have it, you can go ahead to your PC and then just connect it and plug it in to one of the USB ports. Now it should pretty much just detect automatically. And finally, for the last option, which is the Bluetooth option. So you're gonna have to take a look at the bottom view of the mouse itself, and you have a little manual over here to take a look. So there's a switch for 2.4. If you want the USB, you can toggle it to that. If you want the Bluetooth, toggle it to the Bluetooth symbol. So you'll be able to see it in the back side, of your mouse. But once you have it on Bluetooth mode, and of course, make sure your mouse is already on, you can go to your PC and go to the settings. In your settings, go ahead to your Bluetooth and devices, go to this, which is toggling the Bluetooth on, press on add devices, and then just go ahead and press the Bluetooth option. Once you're there, you should be able to find your mouse as long as you toggled it on the Bluetooth mode. But those are a few options you can do to connect your Attack Shark X11 mouse to your PC. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.